Hi, I'm Nadine Franks, Head of People at iConnect SA. We're thrilled to welcome our incredible interns who will be joining us for an exciting journey over the next 6 months. Get ready to meet the potential next tech gurus of South Africa.
My name is Sadiki. Basically, I'm from Limpopo and I'm 26 years old this year.
My name is Tshepo Moganedi. I am from Tshepo and Soweto. I am 25 years of age.
My name is Xolani. I'm actually 26 years old. I'm from Protea and it's just a small area in Soweto.
I'm learning a lot. It's an exciting place to be and a very good place for experience. Working with computers is exciting.
As a cloud and cybersecurity graduate, I would like to venture into that later on after the internship has ended.
The opportunity for me to build something that will benefit my professional life in the future. That is the reason why I take advantage of every moment I'm in the workplace to learn and grow.
At iConnect, we believe in nurturing the young talent of South Africa and providing a hands-on experience to shape their careers. Our internship program offers a dynamic environment where interns gain practical experience, work on meaningful projects, and learn from industry experts. Are you a driven, ambitious individual looking for an opportunity to grow and learn in a vibrant technology work environment? Our internship program might just be the perfect fit for you. Applications are now open for the second phase of our internship program. Simply email your CV to recruitment@iconnectsa.co.za to apply.